Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix cloud artifacts not loading. Quick one, make sure you're logged into your Cloud AI. Then tap on this profile section, choose settings. When you click on settings, you then go ahead and click capabilities. Now in the capabilities, you have to make sure that the code execution file creation, this one over here, is turned on. Now, for most people, this option is turned off, and this is the only option which disables those uploads, okay? Or it's the only options which disables these artifacts from not loading. Now, go ahead and toggle this on. You can see it says automatically enabled artifacts. You can see this is more like it. And you get this message over here. Just go ahead and close it. Now, once you close it, you can go ahead and refresh your Cloud AI and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet